right, time to shoot the Wendy show. I'm really excited, you guys. Really excited. So, at the Wendy show, this is crazy. Y'all can't see it. Hip Hop Fit representing the day. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yo, this is crazy. So we about to go downstairs and do a rehearsal. Want to say thank you to Patrick, Sherri, everybody. It's gonna be dope. But yeah, we're gonna do a rehearsal. That's the graphic right there. That's kind of crazy, right? This is the reason why I'm here.
Stop. Social media?
When you add a little dance to the mix. So here to teach us how to shake our booties is creator of Hip Hop Fit, Mike Peele.
Thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
I am loving this. You've got to tell us about Hip Hop Fit.
Okay, so I have a choreography and dance background already.
All right.
And of course I like to work out, clearly.
Yes, I can see. Sorry, Marco.
Just
yes,
a little bit, just a little bit. You know, sorry, Marco. But I wanted to mash those two worlds together. And not everybody likes to work out, you know. I want to give somebody something fun to do, something that makes you feel good inside and out.
Okay. All right, this sounds good. So, all right, and you going on tour this summer?
Yeah, 2020, baby. 2022. 2022, Hip Hop Fit. So you got to let me know what cities that you want me to come to, me and my team, and we there.
All right, well, I'm ready. Okay, if y'all want to get in on it, I would encourage you to stand up and look. Let's do a little something, because I feel already. Let's go. There we go, y'all. Come on. Okay, so let's start. What is the first move?
All right, first 8 count, right? Now, we got
First 8 count.
First 8 count.
Okay, 8 count.
8 count.
8, okay.
8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, y'all in the audience, oh, y'all already got it.
They got it.
They already got it. Now, we're going to do it slow one more time. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2. Get it, Sherri. 3, 4. Hit it. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Now, we're going to do it fast one time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Hey, 1 and 2. Get 3 and 4. Hit 5 and 6. Hit 7. Ha!
Oh, my God. Woo, Lord Jesus.
Okay.
Woo!
You ready for some more?
I'm ready for some more.
You sure?
I think I'm good. Are y'all ready for some more? All right.
All right, next move. Now, this. I know you're gonna like this, right?
Okay.
I know y'all gonna like it. Lay it down.
Uh-oh.
Lay it down.
Do the roll.
Pop it.
Pop it.
Twice. Go to the right and go to the left. Yeah?
Okay.
Now, we're gonna do that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. You guys out there, 8. And roll down. Pop it to the right. To the left. Nice. Now we're gonna do it fast. We're gonna do it fast. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and roll it and pop it and to the right and to the left.
Okay. Look at Pastor Jackie. Look at y'all.
Oh, y'all.
They was at the Christmas party popping it like it was hot. These two. Okay, here we go. Let me put my wig forward. Here we go. There
now
we
you
go.
want some more? Or you want to go back to the top?
Y'all want to go back to the top?
Go back to the top. Let's make sure we got it.
Let's
Here we
make
go.
sure we got it.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put it down. Pop it out to the right, to the left.
Oh. Okay, let's put it all together.
Put it down.
All right, there we go.
Here we go.
There we go.
You want some more? Or you want to go back and do it again?
No, we good.
We good.
Let's put it together.
Let's put it together. All right, here we go. 5, 6, one more time.
Salt and pepper, come on.
6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lay it down, pop it out, to the right, to the left.
Oh my God. One more time.
Yeah? All right. One more time?
One more time.
You sure?
Y'all got it.
Y'all got it? Here we go.
Come on,
Tap,
y'all.
tap, tap, tap. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lay it down, Sherri. That was quick, that was insane, but it was absolutely amazing. And now it's time to go back to LA and leave home, my second home, New York. And time to get back on it and see what's next.